Dollar is king, says Trump, warns BRICS nations of heavy tariff for challenging it. BitChat breaks all rules, chat without SIM, Wi-Fi or internet. Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey launches a decentralized privacy-first messaging app. Bank of India cuts interest on green and savings deposits. New rates effective from July 7. Green deposit now at 6.7%. Namaskar, welcome to Habis TV. I'm Shashira. You are watching Business Talks with Shashira. US President Donald Trump has warned that from August 1st, 2025, all BRICS countries will face an extra 10% tariff on their exports to the US. Trump accused BRICS of trying to weaken the US dollar, saying BRICS was created to hurt the US and challenge our dollar. Anyone in BRICS must pay a 10% tariff. The dollar is king and we will keep it that way. When asked about India, Trump said there will be no exceptions. India will also have to pay the 10% tariff because it is a BRICS member. BRICS has criticized this move, saying it violates WTO rules. Trump also blamed previous US governments for harming the country's economy and claimed that during his first term, the US collected hundreds of billions in tariffs without causing inflation. He said, "Last time was the best economic period. This time will be even better." Trump posted on his platform Truth Social, saying, "The tariff will start on August 1st, 2025. There will be no changes or exceptions." However, he added that if any country calls and wants to make a fair deal, he is open to talks. When asked if the deadline is final, he said, "Yes, mostly, but if someone wants to talk and change things, we will consider it." Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey has launched a new messaging app called BitChat, which allows users to send messages without an internet connection. The app is currently in beta testing and available only to iPhone users via test flight. BitChat is a privacy-focused, decentralized messaging app that uses Bluetooth Low Energy to create peer-to-peer networks. This allows smartphones to form small clusters and send encrypted messages directly to each other without using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Unlike traditional messaging apps like WhatsApp or Telegram, BitChat does not require a phone number or email ID to create an account. Messages are stored only on the user's device and get auto-deleted after a short time, ensuring privacy and protection from censorship. The app is designed to work in areas with no internet or during network blackouts, making it especially useful in remote or high-risk regions. In the beta phase, developers are focusing on battery optimization and connection stability. A future update will include Wi-Fi support for sharpening rich content like photos and videos. Dorsey has also shared the app's white paper and beta invite publicly. BitChat is expected to launch on other platforms after the beta testing is complete. Bank of India has revised interest rates on its green term deposit and savings deposit accounts. The changes are effective from July 7. The interest rate on the 999-day green deposit has been reduced from 7% to 6.7% per annum. This rate applies to deposit amounts between 1 lakh rupees and 10 crore rupees. The bank has also cut the interest rate on savings deposits up to 1 lakh rupees from 2.75% to 2.50% per annum. However, there is no change in the interest rates for savings deposits above 1 lakh rupees. Green deposit is similar to a fixed deposit, but the funds are used for environment-friendly projects. This includes renewable energy, green buildings, smart agriculture, water and waste management projects. Customers can invest amounts between 1,000 rupees and 3 crore rupees in this scheme. Earlier, State Bank of India reduced its FD interest rates by up to 25% in June. Now, SBI offers 6.25% interest on 1 year FDs effective from June 15. This came after another cut in May, where SBI lowered rates by up to 20%. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Habis TV. Namaskar.